10 cool Amazon products you can buy in 2024. Number 1. This pull-out cabinet organizer is perfect for your kitchen. It expands from 11.7 to 19.7 inches to fit different cabinets. Installation is easy with adhesive nanofilm, no drilling required. Made of heavy-duty metal, it smoothly slides out for easy access. Even with heavy pots and pans, perfect for kitchen, bathroom, and pantry storage. This organizer maximizes space and keeps everything within reach. Number 2. This sous vide precision cooker ensures perfect results every time. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro circulates water at the exact temperature needed for perfectly cooked meals. It's perfect for chicken, fish, veggies, and more. Powerful and durable, it can heat up to 100 L of water and run for 10,000 hours straight. Easy to use, just attach to a pot, add water and food, and cook with built-in controls or the Anova app. Plus, it's built to withstand drops and water immersion. Number 3. This bladeless tower fan offers safe and smooth cooling for kids and pets. The ULT TIE fan includes a HEPA air purifier, cleaning air in rooms up to 320 SQ.FT with minimal noise. Enjoy 3 modes, 9 speeds, an 8-hour timer, and a 90-degree oscillation for perfect airflow. Control it with an LED touchscreen or remote. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, and nurseries. It ensures fresh, quiet air for a comfortable environment. Number 4. This wireless smart meat thermometer lets you cook with freedom and precision. The Meter Plus uses Bluetooth with a range over 1000 FT. Monitor your cooking through a free app on iOS and Android. With dual sensors, it measures both internal and ambient temperatures. Perfect for BBQ, oven, or grill, it ensures you achieve the perfect doneness. The guided cook system and custom alerts make cooking stress-free. The bamboo block charger keeps it ready for use, ideal for any home chef. Number 5. This double sliding under sink organizer saves space with a versatile double-layer design. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. It maximizes storage and keeps things neat. Both top and bottom drawers slide out for easy access. Made of high-quality ABS plastic with sturdy support tubes, it's durable and easy to assemble without tools. Plus, it includes 8 hooks for extra hanging storage, perfect for organizing and decluttering any compact space. Number 6. This Cactus Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer keeps your sink clear effortlessly. Just press the cactus head gently, and all kitchen food inside disappears. It's easy to install with a 4.5-inch diameter, fitting snugly over your drain. The cactus tentacles act as handles for easy garbage disposal without dirtying your hands. Say goodbye to sink clogs with this self-cleaning, multifunctional strainer. Number 7. This cleaning brush features a replaceable disposable rag head, making kitchen cleanup easy and hygienic. With an ergonomic plastic handle, it offers comfort and durability. The Velcro design ensures quick and convenient replacement of rags, which are great for removing stains without dirtying your hands. Perfect for cleaning pots, pans, sinks, and more. The set includes a multifunctional storage box for easy storage and replacement of refills. Keep your kitchen spotless with this practical and versatile cleaning tool. Number 8. This car windshield sunshade provides optimal coverage to keep your vehicle cool. Made with durable 210T fabric, it offers substantial heat protection and comes with a storage pouch. The foldable and retractable design ensures easy installation and removal. Simply slide it into place and lower the sun visors for support. Available in 7 sizes for the perfect fit, this sunshade is ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Enjoy a cooler interior and protect your dashboard from sun damage with this essential automotive accessory. Number 9. This headrest hook set is perfect for keeping your car organized. Hang your purse, bags, or jacket securely on these handy hooks. Designed to prevent items from falling or spilling, these hooks keep your car mess-free. Easy to install in just seconds, they fit any seat and swing out of the way when needed. Made from high-quality, durable materials, they can hold heavy items without damaging your bag straps or seats. With a worry-free purchase guarantee, you'll love the convenience and tidiness these hooks bring to your car. Number 10. This Safer Grip Shower Footrest is your perfect shower companion for a more convenient shaving experience. Simply mount it on any smooth, dry, non-porous surface like ceramic tiles, plastic, or glass. The powerful suction cup ensures a secure hold, making it easy to position at any height. The angled design offers better balance, while its easy installation allows for quick relocation. Ensure a smooth and flat surface for the best grip. Enjoy safer and more comfortable shower shaving with this handy tool.